starting your day on this balcony overlooking a beautiful, peaceful park, and all you can hear are the birds chirping. Welcome to the stunning 2-bedroom plus den, 2-bathroom condo offering 837 square feet of functional living space with built-in AC, 2 side-by-side parking stalls, and a storage locker. If you're looking for peace, privacy, and incredible park at your doorstep and the convenience of South Surrey living, this home is for you. For more information, give us a call today at 604-537-8447.